So from the 1st of December to the 31st of March, there are some restrictions on our lakefronts and some other areas that are very, very popular. Come on, darling, let's go. So right now, this beautiful little girl named Karen is actually breaking the rules. Does she care? Nah, she doesn't. It's the dog owner's responsibility to ensure you guys know where you can and cannot be. We still have areas where you can take your dog off lead and go for a swim. Easiest way to find these areas, my family, is if you jump onto our website, you scroll down just slightly on this page and you see the dog maps. You can actually see where the restrictions are. Everything that's green, you're good to go. Anything that's yellow, that's where the restriction kicks into place. Please make sure you've got your dog under control, off-lead area or not. Be safe this Christmas, family. We are available all the way through. You can contact us directly on the council number, and there will be officers predominantly based on the lakefront. So if at any point you see any of us in our trucks or on foot, come over and have a chat with us. We're not actually that scary. And obviously the most important part, my family, mere kirihimete to all of you, to all of our family coming through Taupō, to all of our beautiful whānaus here. Merry Christmas, have a safe one, and here's to another year ahead of us.